Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix the Roblox phone number not showing issue. First, let's ensure your internet connection is stable and strong. A weak signal can prevent features from loading correctly. Next, please confirm that your Roblox application is updated to its very latest version. Outdated apps often have glitches. Finally, quickly check if Roblox's servers are experiencing any widespread outages, as this affects everyone. If the initial checks don't resolve it, let's try some app and device solutions. First, clear the cache and data for the Roblox app on your device. This often fixes minor corruptions. Then, give your mobile device a complete restart to refresh its operating system. If the issue still persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the Roblox application entirely. This can resolve deeper software conflicts. Now, let's review your Roblox account settings. Begin by logging out of your account completely, then log back in. This can sometimes refresh your account's connection to the servers. Next, navigate to your account settings and confirm that your phone number is correctly added and fully verified. Also, take a moment to review your account's privacy settings, ensuring no restrictions are preventing the display of your phone number. If you've tried all these steps and the phone number still isn't showing, it's time to reach out to Roblox support directly. Visit their official support page and clearly describe your specific issue. Provide as much detail as possible, including the steps you've already taken. Be patient and carefully follow any instructions or troubleshooting advice the support team provides to help resolve your problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.